All right. Okay. I got no play in either end of this pipe. That's going to make it very hard to connect. Might be able to get a little down there. Cleaner. That gives us some better lighting. I hate to tell you, but what that is 20 years of smoke and smoking. Although on this side, part of this is glue remnants from this joint. Get around here and get the pipe ends. Now this is CPVC cement, because this is CPVC pipe. It's not PVC. It's CPVC. If you're doing the CPVC, you have to use a different cement. And you gotta wipe it up off the floor immediately. Okay. All right. That's the easy one. Let's do the bottom first. I used to be a real good worker. I think I'm going to have to put the other one in first. go, good. That way. Okay. Now I have to go find my Teflon tape and my pipe dope to put these on. Time to make the donuts. Teflon tape and thread dope. Okay. Sorry to block the view, but it was tricky getting the threads to bite. Good. Got good thread bite on this one. Okay, that should be that. Before I turn the water on, I want to check that I've got that mat centered under this thing. There we go, much better. Okay, so this mat centered under the thing. Got good connections all around if my glue joints are good. If these joints are good, This is what I hate about plumbing. You don't know until you turn it on, and if it's bad, you gotta take it all apart. So I'm gonna go turn the water on outside, then I'll turn it on inside. It's getting dark out. Outside water is on, and I heard no flow happen, so the reverse fell up or something. I don't know, maybe it needs to be vented on this end. Oh no, we'll leave the shower running. Yeah. I think we're going to have to fill up the whole tank before we know anything. Here we go. I got dripping right here. Oh, shit there. Okay, my tub water is running. Good. 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 Okay, I'm going to shut the tub off. Kitchen faucet running good both sides. Water has stopped running. It seems like the tank is full. There's one way to check that. I don't want to connect power until I'm certain this is full. I'm going to go run hot water, see what happens. It sputtered and snarled up and everything for several minutes, and then finally got running. And I forgot one key thing when you turn the water back on. You got to take those filter valves off your faucets, because that just got totally plugged up within minutes and stopped flowing. So I took that off and then it flowed again. Those little screens on your faucets, those will plug up immediately because your system's been all shook up and you got all sorts of crap coming out of the pipes. So when you turn the water back on, before you do that, take all those things off your faucet heads. Okay, I gotta go get an anchor. I just tested, because this thing runs absolutely silently. My other water heater, I heard it when it was running. This is running silently, so I didn't think it was working. I was like, oh god. But anyways, I just ran hot water in the faucet in the kitchen. I got hot water. So I have water, I have hot water. I have a couple of little leaks, little drips out of these two. I have to tighten them up. Okay, so there we go, new water heater's in, connected, plumbed, electrified. Now all I gotta do is clean up the mess, everything I had to pull out because of the flooding and the trash and putting everything back together again and stuff all over everywhere. I got stuff stashed everywhere. So job's done, but job's hardly done. Happy day to you.